Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. Do not forget to go ahead and subscribe so you'll be notified every time I upload all things and everything hair related. So in this video, I'll be giving you guys the whole rundown from start to finish on how I prep my wigs to installing it. And this is a glueless install, of course, so if you want to do glueless and you're a glueless girl, this is definitely the tutorial for you. So before I get into it, this wig is from Supernova Hair. They sent me a 180 density light 99J 20-inch curly unit, and this is what it looks like. It's a lace front wig. I love it. It is super duper gorgeous, especially for the fall time. So if you are a colored wig loving girl and you just love you some colored wigs for the fall, especially a burgundy or 99J type of wig, you can check the links in the description box in order to purchase you this wig from Supernova Hair. It's actually really affordable, so I definitely would recommend it. It is super soft and I just love it. So without rambling on, I'm just gonna get into the video so you guys could see how I did everything in order for it to look like this. Thank you so much for watching and keep on watching. So this is the unit and I'm pretty much showing you guys how it looks. That's how the curls come. I'm gonna go ahead and pin it onto my mannequin head, and as you can see, it's already pre-plucked, but I am going to go in with an extra bit of plucking. So I'm gonna take my comb and part out and separate the baby hairs from the actual hairline. Then I'm going to push back the hairs and actually get to plucking. So you could see me plucking in this clip, of course, and then that's when I switched sides and decided to pluck the other side. You'll be able to see thoroughly that the hair is actually coming out and the hairline is just forming into this nice, beautiful little situation. So let's get into defining the part. You clearly see that here is dry and here is wet because it's darker down here when it's wet, and that's how it looks when it dries. So what I am doing is gonna take my Milani cream to powder foundation and just go ahead and define a part. I'm doing a side part and it's gonna start from here and it makes its way into a little curve. So I'm gonna take my foundation, instead of plucking out hairs, and just creating that curve. What I'm going to do is go ahead and start parting out sections between the baby hairs that I'm going to use and the rest of the hairline, and just doing what I do in order to make it look sleek, and you get what I'm saying. This is what we're looking like, and I'm gonna just flip this hair over real quick so I can show you like the hairline and stuff. So again, this is what we're working with, and what I'm gonna do is go in with the baby hairs. Y'all already know this is like the easiest thing for me to do. It takes the least amount of time. It's pretty much how I install anything glueless on myself. I don't use glue when installing like colored wigs because I know I'm gonna take them off like quick. I don't like color a lot. I have a color commitment issue, and And yeah, so I'm just using Got To Be Glue gel from the black tube to do these edges, and pretty much just laying them down right now before I actually cut and swoop. So I'm done with both sides, and what I'm gonna do is just clip off the excess to my liking, so that from this side okay, the Got To Be Glued is like stuck on my hand, so the hairs are stuck. And voila. So now I'm gonna go in with some more in order to swoop and seal them. So now I'm taking more just to swoop them to my liking, and I always swoop the middle ones to the left side when I'm doing a right side part. So now that they're like this, I'm gonna do this side like so. And then this side. And once I'm finished, I'm gonna just take my blow dryer just to seal them in place, and I'm doing this on cool. Now I think I'm gonna just speed up the video to do a bit of lace correction. Like you can see right here, you can see that the lace is showing, and I'm gonna just fix that and do the rest of the baby hairs in a time lapse, and then I'll be back for the curl defining portion of this video. Okay, so now that I've been finished with everything and edges are laid down and all that good stuff, I'm gonna go in with the little bit that I have left of leave-in, Cantu, and water. So this wig is actually really nice. I like it. It's super easy. You don't have to do too much. I didn't even have to bleach the unit. I didn't have to color it, and everything is just pretty much just up to par in terms of it being good for some curly hair. And I also need to mention that this hair is super duper duper soft. Like, it feels like butter, like literal cotton. Like, love that for her. And so far so good. I actually do not have any complaints. It is a light 99J wig in 20 inches, and this is good for 20 inches, to be honest, in the curly texture that it's in, because usually it wouldn't be this long. Like, it obviously it dries up to here, but it wouldn't be this long for 20 inches. So we love that for her, love that about her. And I'm gonna just keep defining these curls on this side actually, and I don't have much to do, to be honest, because as you can see, the bottom is wet because I did go ahead and define it before, and now I'm just redefining the top portion, which I did not do because I had to go in with hairspray and a hot comb, and heat and wet just doesn't work together when you're trying to lay something down. So that's what pretty much happened as to why I had to like re-detangle, because I didn't do up here. But I'm done. So this is Supernova's light 99J curly lace front wig in 20 inches and 180 density. As you can tell, it's a really thick unit, and I'm sure it's gonna dry down really nice and gorgeous. I love everything about this hair. I love the fact that it didn't take much to do it. It was like an easy 1-2 step, and I pretty much walked through from when I took the hair out the packaging to now. It didn't take more than 30 minutes to do this look. So if you are a beginner and you are at home and you just want to get you some nice fall vibes hair for the fall time, this is the look for you. If you do know how to do hair, girl, buy you this wig. It's cute, it's thick, and it is gonna just keep you so nice and warm. It is super lightweight, by the way, but I can definitely feel like the warmth that it's giving me. And I know a lot of you girls that actually like curly colored hair is gonna love this one. It's a really cute wig, and the curls are literally to die for. They're so nice and soft, and I just love the vibes that I'm getting. So yeah, that's all for this video. I will keep you guys updated. If you need an updated tutorial on this wig or updated review, I will definitely keep you posted as to how the hair progresses as I wear it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. The links for this wig and Supernova's website will be in the description box below. So without further ado, I will see you guys in my next one.